Today, I'm gonna show you how to get Delta Executor. So first, you don't need to open Roblox, but you need to delete it. So I deleted it and then downloaded it, but delete the version that works. So first, go to Chrome or any website, like browser. I disable. Just wait. Open browser.
To browse the internet, ask me to open the web browser app of your choice.
Open Chrome.
Opening Chrome.
It's loading. Why is it loading? So, use to search the left. You need to search. Here. Right here. Road. You don't understand. Click on the first one. Scroll. Click on the one for using. I'm using a tablet Android. So scroll down until you see this. Download now. As you know, you need to delete Roblox to delete, but I didn't delete Roblox because I already did it with the Delta in. Now you need to click on download now and scroll down again till you see this. Click on the first one. Wait. Download again. Record ako. TikTok ko na. So, just waiting for it to finishes. It does work if you delete your Roblox.